Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to earn free DashCoin directly to your faucetpay account, and when you reach the minimum you are going to be withdrawing it to your Trustwallet account without any investment. So guys, if you know you're watching this video, please make sure to like this video, turn on your notification bell, subscribe to this channel so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be the first to be notified on it. So guys, as you can see over here, it requires one, which is a faucetpay account to claim, and you can claim up to 800 satoshi dashes every 5 minutes. And all you need to do is, as you can see over there, they say enter your dash address. So all you need to do is to go to your faucetpay account and copy your dash address. So we're going to be heading to our faucetpay account right now, and as you can see over here, this is the updated faucetpay. Now all you need to do is just update your faucetpay, and this is how it's going to be looking like. So all you need to do is to tap on the overview. Now when you tap on overview, you are going to be going to the linked address to see all your addresses that you have linked. And if you don't know how to do this, a video to where I explain everything on faucetpay is going to be left in the description box below. So guys, all you need to do now is to copy your DashCoin faucetpay address. As you can see over here, all you need to do is to hold on it for long and copy it to your clipboard. Now when it's copied, as you can see over here, after copying it, you go back to the site and enter your DashCoin address in this section, which is over here. Now when your address has been pasted over here, or you just paste it there, and after it has been pasted, all you need to do is to scroll down and tap on claim. And when you tap on claim, you're going to be verifying a captcha. As you can see, solve the captcha, then click on the antibot link in the following order. We are going to be doing that right now. So after that is done, all you need to do is to complete this captcha which says I'm not a robot. Now after that, as you can see, it's going to be loading up. So when you've been verified, all you need to do is to scroll down and tap on verify captcha, which is down below as indicated. Now when you tap on verify captcha, it's going to be loading up this place where you're going to be waiting for 16 seconds. You're going to be waiting for some seconds to see. As you can see, 57 satoshi has been sent to my faucetpay account. So I'm going to be heading to my faucetpay account to see if it has arrived. As you can see over here, 57 dashes of DashCoin has been sent to my wallet. So guys, this is how you can earn for free on this website without any investment of any kind. So guys, if you know you like what to be doing on this channel, please make sure to like this video, turn on your notification bell, and subscribe to this channel so when we upload nice content like this, you're going to be updated on it.